So this biofilter was one of the very first living wall biofilters ever built, and it reached its end of life cycle. And so what we've done is taken the old technology, improved and innovated on that tech, and then implemented the new tech into what it was otherwise known as one of the very first biofilters ever built.
When I first came to Guelph Humber in my first semester, it was like as normal. I was thriving, it was green, but eventually it started to deteriorate, and like seeing that happen, me and my friends were like, is this the COVID effect on the plant wall too? Because school also gets really stressful during that point that the plant wall started to deteriorate, and it was just like, oh my god, the plant wall is literally mirroring what students are going through during this COVID-stricken time.
This particular project is unique because it's a flagship project. It's in a building that stands for sustainability. I think it's a statement piece or a signal, a beacon of sustainability and wellness for the built environment.
The plant wall is an integral part of our campus because it represents what Guelph Humber is all about. It just feels like you're not really walking into a school. It's more so like you're walking into this environment where you want to learn and you want to be there and you want to meet up with your teachers and your friends.
There's two different parts to how the wall works. The first is that it's hydroponic. It's really important to stipulate that it's a hydroponic system and that the roots are completely exposed, because that's actually how we do step 2, which is the biofiltration aspect. It's how we filter the air. So a plant purifies the air using its root zone. And by exposing the roots, we can actively pull air into the root zone, scrub the air, remove all the toxins that we would otherwise be breathing, and then recirculate that air into the building.
To students to have the plant wall in the atrium, it shows that we're finally coming out of this COVID-stricken state, and that we're turning over this new leaf, and that things are changing, and we're back in person, and the plant wall is back, and like order is restored at Guelph Humber, because it's so important. It's like the biggest part of Guelph Humber. It's an entire wall. It's really hard to miss. So just seeing that back up and running again, I think it just shows students like, hey, like we're back to our like old campus life. So you can come back and you can join clubs and you can like be a part of campus life.